Whoa! You okay, Molly?
Actually, that was kind of fun. But Suki didn't like it too much.
Let's make camp here. I think we've earned some rest.